Hey there! Ever wondered why your Ecovacs Deebot T9 gets stuck or spinning in circles instead of cleaning your floors? Is it turning on, but only in circles and making you dizzy? Need someone to help you fix your robot vacuum? Well, don't fret, we've got the fix you need. We're here to show you how we tackled this problem and make your robot vacuum perform like it's brand new. So, we got this Ecovacs Deebot T9 robot vacuum from a pretty frustrated customer. They asked us to fix the robot vacuum because it wasn't working properly. Now let's try turning on the robot vacuum. Just look at it! We turned it on. The robot vacuum was acting like it had a mind of its own, sometimes getting stuck and spinning but not actually cleaning anything. After a bit of investigation, we discovered the culprit, a faulty left wheel. Poor little robot vacuum was trying its best but just couldn't move straight. After confirming our diagnosis, we recommended a left wheel replacement to the customer. But wait, there's more. Since this robot vacuum has been working hard for quite a while, we suggested a deep cleaning service. We dismantle everything and clean it thoroughly, ensuring it works like a charm again. We got the green light from the customer and started the repair. To ensure the robot vacuum operates smoothly, we do unit testing before returning it to the customer. And there you have it! The Ecovacs Deebot T9 robot vacuum is now gliding smoothly across the floor, picking up dirt like a pro. No more circles, just straight up cleaning. We returned robot vacuum to customers, and they're happy with how it works now. So, what's up with your robot vacuum? Contact us today. We'll get it back to tip-top shape in no time.